The tide is way out there.
Yeah.
Want to collect the shell, James?
Sure, why not? Just leave it there for now. Sun's still rising. Okay. Go down and get it. The sun is still rising. Still doing things.
Look at my cameras. It has line like
Yes,
this.
it's... Don't worry, it's because of the sun. It's a nice little... Oh, nice shell. Nice.
Kind of cool.
There. Alright, now the sun's getting a little hard to look at.
Yeah, a little bit.
Look at that jellyfish. Oh my gosh, that's huge. Man. Oh my god. Just warm.
For perspective.
Oh yeah, compared to your foot, yeah. Jeez, that thing's massive. The library's nice. Look at these Macs. This is your first time using a Mac, right?
Yeah.
Do you know what you're doing?
Yes, I can check email. And that's
That's all you've managed to do.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Learn. Don't make fun of your mother.
I'm gonna make fun of you. I'm gonna make fun of you. And we're leaving already. What time is it? It's like 2? Yes, I have to film.
3:10.
Oh, it's 3:10? No, close enough. Where's Dad?
It's like
He's
a
gone.
dormitory because the cement
Doesn't
is
it?
naked
Yeah.
cement.
It's naked cement.
Very fancy dormitory.
Fancy schmancy, new age, hipster stuff. I don't know.
See the doors so huge.
Huge doors. Alright, let's go.
Run it right.
Alright,
It's a good
that's
place.
it. We're gone.
That was great.
It was a good place. It's nice.
Did you have a good time, James?
Yeah, I had a good time. What about you guys?
We have a good time. It's good to get away.
Alright, ending vlog. Came back from the beach today. And, yeah. It was a nice getaway. I liked it. Well, back to usual routine, I guess. So, yeah. The beach was great. I mean, it was awesome to get away for, well, even though it was one day. It was awesome to get away and stuff, and just go to the beach, really. Okay, so, yeah. I need to get a few videos uploaded. Currently still. Actually, you wouldn't have seen the beach video until maybe a few hours ago, if you keep up stuff. Anyway, yeah. I'm gonna watch Driving Miss Daisy, cause I can, and because it's 1 in the morning. You know, that's what I do during summer. I watch Driving Miss Daisy at 1 a.m. Well, then again, yesterday I did watch a 1950s movie at like, I don't know, 10 or something. Whatever. Yeah, so back in the usual routine. Stuff, alright. I really don't have much to say. And then the beach was really nice, and I'm back. So, okay, gonna leave it there. Alright, good night.